It was a beautiful morning, and the sun was about to shine on the horizon. And I took my sweet Mavic Mini out and flew across the waters. Oh, what a beautiful sight. The sky has so much color. Oh, and can you see the beautiful Penang Bridge? And I turned my head to face the sun. And surprise, surprise, and the signal is lost. So from 590 meters, let's go back to 300 meters. At 360 meters, already the video transmission freezes. It sort of goes back and forth, but it definitely does not help with a smooth flight. From 470 meters, the video transmission is off, but the drone is still connected to RC. And the video comes back at 570 meters, and at 591 meters, the signal is completely off. So today I'm going to talk about what I really hate about Mavic Mini. Now I hate Mavic Mini? Well, I've been talking about loving this device for so many videos, so don't get me wrong. There's just one element, and it's quite an important element that I really don't like about Mavic Mini. So I actually want to share my experience with you guys so that it will help you guys to sort of make decision if you're looking into buying a new drone. And if you already have Mavic Mini, then I think this video can be a little bit of precautionary video for you guys to think about, especially when you're flying in urban area. What I particularly don't like about Mavic Mini is the video transmission signal. I mean, they call it enhanced Wi-Fi signal, which is basically the same thing as what we got in Mavic Air. As a drone pilot, what we're relying on is the video transmission signal that we can see on our mobile phone. So that is what Mavic Mini sees when we are flying. I actually find that way before the signal is actually cut off, the video transmission signal can be very stuttering. And that has been the case when I was flying it sort of outside a park into the ocean near the urban area. At around like 300 meters, the video transmission was getting pretty stuttering, but that wasn't the only case. And in my last video when I talked about how I almost crashed my drone, actually right before sort of crashing, I did lose a video signal for a brief moment. And I think that sort of got me a little bit confused and didn't really watch out for what was out there, like a tiny little post that was camouflaged in the background. And also right in the urban area where I didn't want to fly, across any building or something, I was just flying up. It lost signal even before Mavic Air did. And these are two of the examples where I actually got cut off within 50 meters only. And another case I want to actually briefly tell you guys is the FPV video that I did. So I was trying out the different gimbal mode of Mavic Mini, and one shot that I got, which I thought was pretty decent, actually, as you guys can see my mobile phone app feed, it was not at all a clean signal. So, as some of you guys have noticed, it wasn't a very smooth flight. And that's because I was not getting a clean signal. So at the same time as the flight, I was thinking, oh, should I just give up or not? So that's why my remote control was not 100% smooth. But in rural area, I did manage to get about 1 kilometer without much issue. I wonder if DJI can do something about it in the current batch or even like next batch, for the future buyers. Even though I love Mavic Mini, there's definitely a room for an improvement. And then if I can't really fly in confidence, few hundred meters in urban area, it really lowers the fun out of flying this little drone. So what do you guys think? What are your sort of complaints about this drone? If you have any, do make sure to comment down below so we can sort of make a community and have our voice heard. But of course, my relationship still continues with Mavic Mini, so I'll definitely come back with some other videos. So stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video. See you!